Hello students, in this part 2 lecture we will discuss optimal and least recently used page replacement algorithms. In part 1 we discussed FIFO page replacement algorithm. So first we will discuss optimal page replacement algorithm. It has the lowest page fault rate of all algorithms. It do not suffers from Baladi's anomaly and therefore it is referred as stack algorithm. The policy is to replace the page that will not be used for the longest period of time. So what we do here, we scan the reference string towards the right and we select the page among the pages present in memory, the page that will not be used for longest period of time. So that page is selected and is replaced by the new requested page. It is difficult to implement because it requires future knowledge of the reference string, and as a result this page replacement algorithm, optimal page replacement algorithm, is used mainly for comparison studies with other algorithms to compare their performance. So we will take an example, the same example we took for FIFO. The 3 frames are available in memory. So 723 will initially cause page fault because every page at least causes one page fault in pure demand paging. So for page number 1, now there is no free frame available, so we need to replace one. So which one will we replace? 723 are currently there in memory, and now we will scan the list from 1 towards the right. So from 1, 2 is used, 3 is used, 7 is the last one to be used. Among 723, 7 is the last one. So we will replace 7 with 1. 2 is there in memory, so no need for a page fault. Now we need to have 5. So for 5 page number, out of 1, 2 and 3, 3 is used just after 5, and then we will use 1 and 2 is the last one, so 5 will replace 2. So now 3 is there in memory, so no page fault. Now page number 4, out of 1, 5 and 3, 1 is used, then 5 is used, 3 is the last one to be used. When you scan the list towards the right, you will see. So 4 will come in place of 3. Now it's turn of 6. Again for 6, 1 is used, 5 is used, 4 is the last one, 1 0 5 4. So out of 1, 5 and 4, 4 is the last one to be used. So 6 will come in place of 4. Now it's turn of 7. So 7 के लिए when we refer the reference string towards the right, we see 1 is used, 5 is used, 6 is the last one to be used, 1 0 5 4 6. So 7 will come in place of 6. Now 7 will not cause any page fault, 1 will not cause any page fault. Now it's turn of 0. So out of 1, 5 and 7, 7 is not used at all. So we will replace 7 with 0. Now suppose there are 2 pages in the memory currently that will not be used in future. So you can select any one of them. Okay. So now it's turn of 5. 5 no page fault. For 4, 150 may 5 will not be used in the future, so 4 will come in place of 5. 6 also is for 6, 4 will not be used in the future, so 6 will come in place of 4. 2 will come in place of 6 and 3 will come in place of 2 because 0 and 1 are to be used. 6, 2 and 3 respectively will not be used, so we will replace each one of them. So there are 13 page faults here. Out of 20, 7 are page hit. So hit ratio will be 7 upon 20 into 100. So this is optimal page replacement algorithm. Keep in mind, you will refer the string towards the right and scan the list towards the right and select the one that will be used last. Now the next algorithm, that is least recently used. As the name suggests, it replaces the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So how it can be implemented? It associates with each page the time of that page's last use. When a page must be replaced, LRU chooses the page that has not been used for the longest period of time. So what you can do, you can have a counter which is incremented for every page reference, and the page with the least count value is replaced. So it scans the reference string towards the left whereas we were scanning the reference string towards the right in optimal replacement algorithm. It is also referred as stack algorithm because it does not suffer from Baladi's anomaly. It can be implemented by keeping a stack of page numbers, and whenever a page is referenced, it is removed from the stack and put on the top. So every time you need to replace a page, the page at the bottom will be replaced, because whenever a page is referenced, you take it from wherever it is and put it at the top. So when you keep on doing this, and when you need to replace a page, the page at the bottom will be the last one that was referred earlier, so you will replace the page at the bottom. It can be implemented by using doubly linked list with a head pointer and a tail pointer, because you need to remove an entry from the middle of the stack. So this is the example here, again the same reference string with 3 memory frames. Now here, to do it in a very easy manner, what you can do is you can put numbers in increasing order of above the references. So here we have put 1 above 7, 2, 3, 3 के ऊपर 3, 1 के ऊपर 4 and so on. We have put numbers in increasing order above our reference string. So whenever we need to replace, we will check which number has the least count value and we will replace it. So for 1, when we need to replace 7, 2, 3 will come. Now for 1 we need to replace 1. So 7 has the least count, so 1 will replace 7. 2 is there, so it's fine. Now for 5, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 में 3 के ऊपर 3 सीक्वेंस नंबर है, 1 के ऊपर 4 है, 2 के ऊपर 5 है, तो सबसे लीस्ट काउंट कौन सा है? 3 का, सो 5 विल रिप्लेस 3. नाउ इट्स टर्न ऑफ 3. तो 3 के लिए आउट ऑफ 1, 2 and 5, 1 has the least count, so 3 will come in place of 1. Now it's turn of 4. 4 के लिए देखेंगे, जब हम 2, 5, 3 में से, तो 2 के ऊपर लीस्ट काउंट है, 2 के ऊपर 5 है, 5 के ऊपर 6 है, 3 के ऊपर 7 है, तो 2 हैज़ द लीस्ट काउंट, सो 4 will replace 2. So 4 will come in place of 2. Similarly for 6, out of 3, 4 and 5, 5 has the least count, so 6 will replace 5. Then it's turn of 7. To 7 के लिए out of 3, 4, 6, 3 has the least count. 3 के ऊपर 7 है, 4 के ऊपर 8 है, 6 के ऊपर 9 है, तो 3 has the least count of 7, तो 7 will replace 3. Now 7 is there in the memory, so no page fault. 12, sorry, 1, page number 1. So for 1, out of 7, 4, 6, 4 has the least count, so 1 will replace 4. Now for 0, 0 के लिए we will see 0 के लिए 6 has the least count, so we will replace 6 with 0 and so on. So you can very easily solve this question without doing any mistake. Just put numbers in increasing order above the reference string, and whenever you need to replace, you replace it with the page number that has the least count. Simple. So this is least recently used page replacement algorithm. Here the hit ratio is 2 because only 2 page hits are there. So hit ratio is 2 upon 20 into 100. Now an example. Assume that you have a page reference string for a process with m frames, initially all empty. The page reference string has length p. The total references, just like in the previous question, the reference string length was 20. तो यहाँ पे it is denoted by p. N distinct page numbers occur in it. Answer these questions for any page replacement algorithm. What is a lower bound on the page number of page faults? What is? Each page causes at least one page fault when it is brought into memory for the first time. If it is not replaced, it will not cause any page fault further. So it will at least cause one page fault. So there are n distinct pages, each one causing at least one page fault. So lower bound on number of page fault is n. Now what is an upper bound on number of page fault? At most each page reference can cause one page fault. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, तो अगर हमारे पास सपोज इंक्रीजिंग नंबर में जितने p हैं वो बार बार आ रहे हैं, तो हर पेज के लिए एक पेज फॉल्ट जनरेट, हर रेफरेंस के लिए एक पेज फॉल्ट जनरेट हो रहा है. तो एट मोस्ट द अपर बाउंड ऑन द पेज नंबर ऑफ पेज फॉल्ट्स विल बी p. We can have at most p page faults. For example, in the previous question the total references were 20, so we can have at most 20 page faults. We cannot have more than 20 page faults. So upper bound is the length of the page reference string, and lower bound is number of distinct pages in the reference string. Now a second question. Consider a computer system with 10 physical page frames. You have 10 frames. The system is provided with the access sequence of A1 say A20, and then again A1 say A20 pages are referred, where each AI is a distinct virtual page number. So आपका क्या है, सपोज जैसे 1 से 10 है तो 1 से 10 रेफ़र होंगे, फिर 1 से 10 रेफ़र होंगे, तो यहाँ पे 1 से 20 हो रहे हैं एंड देन अगेन 1 से 20. The difference in the number of page faults between the last and first out page replacement policy and the optimal page replacement policy. Now अभी तक हमने क्या पढ़ा था, फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं वो लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट. तो लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट मीन्स द पेज दैट came last will be swapped out or replaced first. So 1 2 3 आए हैं. Now if you need to replace a page, we will replace 3 because it was the last one in. So we have 10 frames. So first pages A1 to A10 will be loaded. तो 10 पेज फॉल्स हो ही जाएंगे, 1 फॉर ईच पेज. सो 10 पेज फॉल्स. नाउ फॉर पेज A11 A10 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड. लास्ट वन, लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट है, तो जब A11 आया तो लास्ट पेज दैट वाज इन वाज A10. सो A11 विल रिप्लेस A10, A12 विल रिप्लेस A11 एंड सो ऑन टिल A20. सो 10 पेज फॉल्स ये हो गए. गॉट माई पॉइंट. A11 लास्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट पॉलिसी है, तो हमेशा हम लास्ट पेज को रिप्लेस करेंगे. पहले 10 तो आ गए क्योंकि देर आर 10 फ्रेम्स, तो A1 से A10 मेमोरी में आ गए, 10 पेज फॉल्स हो गए. नाउ A11 लाना है तो A10 वॉज द लास्ट वन टू कम इन, सो A11 विल रिप्लेस A10. एंड नाउ A12 की बारी आई तो A12 विल रिप्लेस A11, A13 विल रिप्लेस A12 एंड सो ऑन. सो till A20. So we will have 10 more page faults. Now page A1 to A9 will not have any page fault because they are already there in the memory. So A10 to A20 will generate 11 page faults. ठीक है, तो total number of page faults हो गए 31. Now for optimal. First A1 to A10 will cause 10 page faults, fine. A11 will replace A10 and A12 will replace A11 until A20, because जब हम रेफरेंस स्ट्रिंग करेंगे तो A11 के लिए हम जब A10 देखेंगे तो A10 will be the last one to be referred, क्योंकि A1 से A9 उससे पहले दोबारा रेफर हो रहे हैं. तो A11 will replace A10, A12 will replace A11 and so on till A20, 10 page faults. Now page A1 से A9 will not cause any page fault because they are already there. Now page A10 will replace A1 बिकॉज अब A11 नहीं रिप्लेस होगा क्योंकि A1 A10 विल रिप्लेस A1, क्योंकि A1 अब नहीं यूज़ होने वाला. A11 विल रिप्लेस A2 एंड सो ऑन अंटिल A19, 10 पेज फॉल्स. पेज A20 विल नॉट कॉज एनी पेज फॉल्ट एज इट इज़ ऑलरेडी देयर इन द 10th फ्रेम. तो A1 से A9 तो पेज फॉल्ट नहीं कर रहे, लेकिन जब A10 की बारी आएगी तो A10 विल नॉट रिप्लेस A20 बिकॉज हम A20 अभी यूज़ होने वाला है, A1 अब यूज़ ही नहीं होगा बिकॉज वो ऑप्टिमल पेज रिप्लेसमेंट एल्गोरिथम में हम फ्यूचर की स्ट्रिंग देख रहे हैं. तो A20 विल नॉट कॉज एनी पेज फॉल्ट बिकॉज इट वाज ऑलरेडी देयर इन द 10th फ्रेम. सो टोटल पेज फॉल्ट्स हो गए 30. नाउ a system uses FIFO policy for page replacement. It has 4 pages frames with no pages loaded to begin with. The system first accesses 75 distinct pages in some order and then accesses the same 75 pages but now in reverse order. How many page faults will occur? There are 4 frames. The first distinct 75 pages will cause 75 page faults. Now, when accessed in reverse order, the last 4 pages that are in frames will be accessed first and thus it will not cause any page fault. The remaining 71 pages will cause 71 page faults. So total page faults कितने हो गए 75 plus 71. Similar question to the previous one, quite similar. Now the last question. The address sequence generated by tracing a particular program executing in pure demand paging system with 100 records per page with one free main memory frame is recorded as follows. What is the number of page faults? Now this is the reference string. That means यहाँ पे आपको reference string जो मिली है वो addresses मिले हैं, page number नहीं मिले. So you have to find the page numbers for this. Now as in the question it says there are 100 records per page. तो what will happen? 0 से लेके 99 तक के जितने भी addresses हैं वो page number 0 में आएंगे. 100 से लेके 199 तक के जितने addresses हैं वो पेज नंबर 1 में आएंगे. फॉर 200 to 299 पेज नंबर 2, 300 to 399 पेज नंबर 3 एंड सो ऑन. सो यहाँ पे बहुत आसान है इसमें बिकॉज वी हैव 100 रिकॉर्ड्स. तो यू नो 0 से 99 पेज नंबर 0, 100 से 199 पेज नंबर 1, 200 से 299 पेज नंबर 2 एंड सो ऑन. सो 100 तो इट विल कम इन पेज नंबर 1. 200 it will come in page number 2. 430 it will 400 से 499 तक के पेज नंबर 4 में. सो पेज नंबर 4 0430 will come in page number 4. 499 will also come in page number 4. 510 will come in page number 5. 530 will come in page number 5. 60 will come in page number 0. 120 will come in page number 1. 220 will come in page number 2. 240 260 will come in page number 2. And 320 and 370 will come in page number 3. So above address will generate the following reference string. So now we have, because we have one free frame in memory, so each distinct page will generate a page fault. तो total page distinct pages कितने हो गए? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 6 distinct pages हैं. तो total page faults कितने हो गए? 6. So this is all about page replacement algorithms. Hope you were able to get the concept. Thank you.